the Indians, especially the South Indians, the day begins with a sip of brewing hot coffee. And for those lucky ones, it is with a filter coffee. South India is very famous for filter coffee. Actually, it is very easy to prepare filter coffee at home provided you follow some steps. Here I am going to show the beginners how to brew the filter coffee at home. While we begin with the ingredients, I would also add a few notes on how to select the coffee powder or filter coffee powder. Okay, now let's look at the ingredient. So this is the coffee seeds which I collected from the coffee shop. You can see they are bean shaped and dark brown in color. So they generally roast it and then make a powder of it, and it is sold as coffee powder. Now this coffee powder is mixed with something called as chicory, which is nothing but the root of the chicory plant, which is powdered and mixed with this coffee powder. Now you may also ask, why should you add the chicory to the coffee powder? Without chicory, if you are going to make the coffee powder, it will not give its volume or thickness. If you add the chicory to the coffee powder, then you will get the correct volume. Or to make the filter coffee at home, you need this coffee decoction maker. It consists of 4 parts. The lid, this is called as the umbrella, and this is having some holes, perforated thing it is having holes through which the decoction is collected in this. So there are 4 parts. How do you arrange it? So you have to take this, in this the decoction is collected, you keep the perforated vessel on this, and after adding the coffee powder, you have to place this umbrella on this and then pour hot water and then close it with the lid. Okay, so before we start this, let us get into making coffee, filter coffee. Take some water in a container and switch on the flame and allow it to boil. It should boil properly. Okay. Meanwhile, when it is boiling, I will add the coffee powder into the perforated container. So for 3 people or even 2 people, I am adding 3 spoons, 3 tablespoons. It should be like this, 3 tablespoons, or even if you want it little more darker, you can add 3.5 tablespoons. So don't add the powder at one place. You have to see that it is evenly distributed. Okay? Then place this umbrella on that and don't press it very hard. With this also you can make an even distribution. Don't press it very hard. The water is boiling and I am going to add the water into this container. Switch off. So for this I have added only 3/4 of the container. I have not added completely. If you want to add up to the brim, then at least you should take 4 tablespoons of coffee powder. Now close the lid and allow it to form the decoction. Meanwhile, I will boil the milk. You boil the milk, you first add some water into the container and allow it to become little hot. Then you open the packet and add. I would like to tell you. First thing is, don't add water to the milk and let it not be diluted milk. Otherwise your coffee will be very diluted. You won't get the nice taste of the filter coffee. Okay? And second thing is the coffee powder that you selected. There are 3 types, 3 percentages. That is coffee powder is to chicory. Now if the coffee powder is 70% you select, then you can have 30% of chicory. Otherwise, there is another ring which is 80% coffee powder, 20% chicory. One more brand, that is 60% coffee powder and 40% chicory. Now, what is the difference? Why this difference in percentages? Suppose you want a very dark coffee, then you can go for 60% to 40%. Okay? The taste will be varying in all the three of them. The bitterness will be more in 60% to 40%. In 80% to 20%, the bitterness will be less, and even it won't be very dark. It will not be very dark, but yeah, it will be like a coffee. It is good. And the third most important thing, most of us working women, what we try to do is we prepare this filter coffee the previous day night and allow the decoction to settle and collect it in the morning and prepare the coffee. Please don't do this way, because the aroma of the coffee will be gone. If you want a very good fresh coffee, please brew it in the morning after you get up, just before you have it. Yeah, of course, you may have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. For sometimes in a hurry, when you are preparing your coffee for yourself, you try to take out whatever decoction has collected in the container and make your coffee. Please don't do that. Allow the complete decoction to settle in the container and then use. Otherwise, the later whoever collects the decoction, for them it will be a very thin coffee. Okay? Come, let's see how to prepare the coffee now. Let's see whether the decoction is settled down in the decoction container. Yeah. Just have a look. So half of the container is having nice strong decoction. Now the filter coffee we can prepare. Just add 1 tablespoon of sugar, or even little less or little more depending upon your taste. Now to this, I want to show the color of the filter coffee. Just see this. See the glass. Okay. If you want darker, you add more of this decoction. If you want it lighter, you can add little less. I'm adding the milk. Now I will show you how it is generally served in South Indian homes. Just allowing the froth to develop. And this is the coffee. Filter coffee, hot brewing filter coffee is ready. You can also prepare it at home. It is very easy. Please follow these steps, and if you like it, share it and give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.